Hello everyone, you're welcome back to Share Media channel again. Today we will meet you all to see about how to make a YouTube channel. Let's get all together. Back to Share Media again. Today I will introduce you to about how to make a YouTube channel. The YouTube channel, it is a kind of a slide, a kind of a picture that you put in front of your YouTube video. It is a kind of attractive picture, attractive photo that make your audience click or touch your video to watch. It is a very interesting and very important for your YouTube channel video. It is no matter how the content you make is saying about or talking about, but the thumbnail will help you to make audience decide to click to see your video. So it is most important also in the front of your content. So to make this channel, at first you go to the canva.com. It is a canva.com, and then you sign in the canva.com by your Gmail account, and we will create design. Create your design. You will type in the YouTube channel. YouTube channel. And we type the YouTube channel. And then we go to the site. So in this part we see almost YouTube inside here, YouTube channel. So to make a YouTube channel, we can go to this part. So we can choose the template to see your design.
You can go to template, template, element. Okay, it have a download media, it have a photo, okay, text, style, audio, background, okay, and other menu that you can select it from it. So in this video I will show you how to make a YouTube channel. So now it is the blank. First we need to choose the size, the size of a thumbnail. The best YouTube channel, it have the size it has the size by YouTube already, so we no need to create design for YouTube channel. So it is have a size already and has 1280 by 720. Okay, it is the size of a YouTube channel that we created it. So if we go to this Canva website, so you can use the YouTube channel size by automatic size that is created by the Canva for the YouTube channel. So you don't need to edit anymore. So we go to select. We select the any template, or we can use the your create by your own. So first we go to select any element that you want. Example, you need to choose this picture for your thumbnail. So you can drag and drop into your photo. And then you can put another element that you need to put at there. For me, I would like to put another element such as this one. And drop here. And then I'm going to upload my photo. It has already a photo here, so I can choose the photo that I would like. So decide to put this one into element for my channel, or I can choose another photo like this one. And here, and then put another photo that I think that it is fit to my thumbnail and fit to my content. And I will be search for any idea photo. So I can see many picture that we can put into that, so that I can use the ideas. You can put here, or not decide to put this or another. I need to put this. For video ideas. And I can remove it and put it on there. I can remove the image, and I can back again to see what decide to put it. Okay, I can drag it here, and okay, I can choose the element to put it in this. Okay, put this photo in this. Okay, now it is can be done. Yeah, can be done. Can be done by this photo. Yeah, I can edit it by okay, and scroll it into small and put here. And then I go to any text. And I can choose a headline, or I can choose any template of text. We have many templates of text that we can choose to write it here. Now I decide to use this one here, and I edit it to YouTube channel. YouTube channel. Okay, and we make it into small size, because we need to put it in your YouTube channel. Okay, or you can choose another font if that can make it clear or can see better than this. So you decide to delete this one. Okay, to delete this one and rewrite this again. YouTube channel. YouTube channel. YouTube channel. And then you design by your own. You put it by the place that you want to make. Okay, so it is your YouTube channel, and we can put it here. Okay, and I decide to delete this one, and I adjust it by channel, and I have to choose the color. Okay, and I can put it as and change color to be clear. Okay, YouTube channel. Then I can crop it to smaller than this and put just like this, and I can drag it. Drag it to or like that. The YouTube channel, or I can change the color to be okay, I can put here and select the color that you want to be clear and see clearly. Okay, YouTube channel, and I put about. Okay, like that I want to put it. And then I will put another text or another style of photo. I can search the YouTube channel or YouTube icon. YouTube icon to decoration to your channel to be better. I can put this, and I can put the subscribe here. And another I can put any YouTube photo here. Okay, I can delete this one and put just a YouTube photo here. Okay, and put it this smaller. So it is okay. There I can make it okay. I can like that, or I can drop it up. Okay, YouTube channel. YouTube channel. And I can drop it there like that. Okay, sure. I think it is all about editing, and you can put any other element or other picture that you like, or you want to make it as your own, that you think it is your
good for your picture. Yeah, and then after we finish the editing, we can hit download. Yeah, we can go to download it here and push download, and then we change we can choose the type of your thumbnail photo, like PNG, JPG, PDF, yeah, and any other, but we suggestion to choose the PNG, yeah, for your photo type, and push download here. Okay, download here. Okay, to save it in your video, and after we can have it, okay, you can use it in your YouTube channel. Okay, thank you for your watching the video, and have to subscribe. I will show you more about how to make another video or another tip to help you all. Thank you for your watching video. Don't forget to subscribe this video. You will see more about our channel and any video important to you. Thank you. Bye bye.